proVM Auditor helps you to centrally manage vulnerability data from a growing list of close to 20 different scanners into one actionable report. Whether you're using just 1 or 10 different scanners, the reporting format was designed to allow you to make sense of all your findings and more quickly begin remediation, with more advanced features really helping to triage that remediation. We encourage you to contact us if you would like a more in-depth demo of the software or to try the software out yourself. proVM is wizard-based. It's built in .NET with a SQL backend database allowing you to store your vulnerability data perpetually and also supporting features like trending analysis and others. At the import screen, you simply drag and drop all of your result files from your scans and proVM will import them correctly and give you a status of your import. You're then presented with a splash screen to summarize the data that you just imported. Any charts or graphs in the GUI can be copied and pasted into your reports. This is also where you can create your reports, which we call a vulnerability matrix or VM. No longer do you have to have several hundred-page reports from different scanners and binders or having to have consoles open to work from. Now results are in an actionable format. They're able to be attached to emails, tickets, or to print them out. The Summary tab represents all of your totals. The Unique Findings tab presents one finding per row, so this finding here affects all the devices in the affected devices column. Then the Finding Details tab breaks it down more on device level and includes any pertinent information specific to that target. Next, proVM will trend any historical data that is related to the data that you've just imported. Now you can change the data series by tool, device, OS, or finding. You can change the way the chart looks. You can define specific time parameters. You can also trend all historical data in the database in the historical section of the software. You can generate previous reports. You can create any POAMs for specific vulnerabilities, and if you don't know what that is, it's a DoD thing. You can also actually edit the checks in your database. You can change the name, description, any risk or severity levels, the fix, or point your finding to an IA control. You can pre-populate known mitigations for findings or filter out findings altogether that might clutter up your reports. You can also override fingerprinting done by your scanners with the correct system text, since we all know that fingerprinting from scanners isn't particularly stellar. Now, all these options remain persistent in your database and will be reflected in your vulnerability matrix. On our website, we've got a knowledge base of support videos illustrating every aspect of the software. We've also got a reseller program, if you're interested, with competitive margins and benefits and a full-blown portal with both a sales and technical track. So contact us for a full-blown demo or to set up your trial.